And we have here a sample program with subfunction. So we have here from line 1 to 4, 1 to 5 contains a multiple line comments which shows the mm, description of this program, which demonstrates function calls by calling a small function to multiply two numbers. And as an author, you may write your name here and the date created. Line 6 is a preprocessor directive for the standard input output header. Okay. So line 8 contains a single line single line comment for describing the line 9. So this line 9 contains the function declaration. It is simply just a function heading of the function definition. So this is a function declaration for the function multiply, okay, that will return a value of type integer. Okay, and we have here the main function, okay, starting from line 11 up to line 27. Okay, so these three local declarations here for the local variables multiplier, multiplicand, and product from line 14 up to line 16. And for line 19, this will prompt the user to enter two integers. And for line 20, we'll read and assign those two integers entered by the user to the variables multiplier and multiplicand. Now, line 22 is a function call for the multiply function that will pass the value of the variables multiplier and multiplicand respectively and assign the result to the local variable product. And line 24 and 25 just simply display the product of the multiplier and multiplicand and the value of the product. All right. So again, we have here the function call. And for the function definition, starts at line 34 and ends with line 38. Okay, so this is a function definition. Okay, as you can see, the function definition starts with int multiply, open parenthesis, int num1, comma, int num2, close parenthesis. So this is a function heading of the multiply function, and that this will return an integer value specifying this int keyword before the function name. So we have to expect that this function will return a value that is of type integer. So it must have to return a value of type integer. Okay, in which inside this function definition we have a statement to return the product of num1 and num2, specifying the character asterisk for multiplication operation. Okay, so for example, if the user will enter 5 and 2 here as multiplier and multiplicand, so the 5 a value, and the two value will be passed as the actual parameter in this function call. So in the function definition, num1 and num2 will receive the copy of the values being passed by the function call, which is 5 and 2. So num1, which is 5, and num2, which is 2, will be processed here, in which the operation is multiplication. So we have to multiply the num1 and num2 here and return the value 10. Okay, so since we have here a local variable product that will be holding a copy of the value which is being returned by this function call, so product now has a value 10. Okay,